winners. There it is. Betting time yours. Place bets. There it is. Let's spin another one. Let's spin another one. Thank you. Dum dum do dum dum do dum dum do 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 do. You ready? Big spin. Thank you. Good luck, everybody. Spin has been made. 2x on Crazy Tom Top Slot now. 2x Crazy Tom Top Slot. 2x Crazy Tom Top Slot. 2x Crazy Tom Top Slot. Ladies and gentlemen, finally we hit a top slot on Crazy Tom. Low one, but still something. Minimum prize 20x. Who knows, maybe a 200 or 400 coming up. Good luck. Have fun. Let's go. Welcome, ladies. Welcome, gentlemen, to Crazy Tom. Let's double the wheel. There we go. Wheel has been doubled. You know what to do. Choose one of the three flappers, Hulk Smurf Minion, aka green, blue, yellow, manually, or they get to be selected for you automatically. Good luck. You know what to do. Good luck. You ready? Most you win with blue flapper, 40%. This could be a 200x for you. Maybe a double. Let's go, please. Woo! Woo! Yeah! 30, 40, 200 for Hulk Squad. Hulk smash. Woo! Congratulations, 7,300 total Stan. Paolo.
Lane and Otto, you're the ones who got a 4-digit number winnings. That's first place with a more than a 1,500 cash. You're funny. No thanks. It's like better right side. The game statistics says actually there is quite colorful, actionful view back there. Good luck. Cash on 7 times multiplier. Well, actually, this could be the way how to make another new record of the day. Last chance to do that, though. So, come on. Hold on. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the cash on with a 7 times multi. Oh, God. Bring it on, shall we? As welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Cash Hunt's bonus round. We do have a fantastic board over here, the Maxi Multi. Well, 500x, ladies and gentlemen. 7 times multiplier. Boom! Whole new day's record is about to follow by the Maxi Multiplier, 3,500x. Guys, wish you the best. As for this moment, every single multiplier is covered by the emoji. Under any emoji could be any multiplier up to the 3,500x, guys. Which would apply to be the highest one over this day, over my personal games leading history as well, so I wish you the best of luck. And as well, in case you can't figure out which spot to choose, guys, go for it. Out topic. It's totally up on you. Wish you the best of luck. Waiting and checking. So, ladies and gentlemen, the reel is about to follow. Thank you very much for your decisions. Thank you for your ideas. And let's take a look. So, Cash Hunt, reveal yourself. 3,500 bets in the second line from the up. And we do have at this moment no fantastic total winners, guys, and an amazing winner to cut up that maximum back there. Unfortunately, wasn't able, guys, to check it, but good job cutting it out.
Yeah, wow. 7,000 winners. Who is here? Mister. Hello there, Stan. You're the man. We got this. You're the champion. You're the top winner of this round. Congratulations. Okay, ladies and gents, let's go. Woo! The gamer is here. Oh, my. Seriously? Oh, sweetie. Crazy Sam with the 3x. Let's go. 7x on cash and juicy. Mister. Seriously? So is it for real, guys? Oh my gosh. Stay strong. Oh, jump. Woo! Ladies and gents, let's go. Crazy time with 3X on it. Bam, baby. Woohoo! Wow. Crazy time it is. Let's go. Woohoo! Guys, we have 3X. Let's go. Oh my goodness. Let's make everything 3 times bigger. Are you ready? Boom! Let's go. Well, what can I say, guys? Choose wisely your lucky flipper. Green, blue, or yellow, yellow, blue, or green. Oh, DJ. Oh, you're going for blue. Okay, so last second, ladies and gents. A lot of you are falling for blue. Max multiply 300x. Wish you good luck. Let's go. Right now. He gets the highest one, 300x. Woo! Congratulations. Oh my, you're good. Hello there, green team.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.
Somebody